friends, I am Sadhana of 8C and today's scientist is Sir Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was the greatest English mathematician of his generation. He laid the foundation for differential and integral calculus. He formulated 3 laws of motion, defining how objects move and interact with forces. His law of universal gravitation explained planetary motion. Isaac Newton was born in the manor house of Woolsthorpe near Grantham in Lincolnshire on December 25, 1642. In 1653, Newton began attending the free grammar school in Grantham. His school reports described him as idle and inattentive. He was taken away from school but was allowed to return to it in Grantham in 1660 to complete his school education. Newton received his bachelor's degree in April 1665. When the University of Cambridge reopened after the plague on 1667, Newton was elected to a minor fellowship at Trinity College. But after being awarded his master's degree, he was elected to a major fellowship in July 1668, which allowed him to dine at the fellows' table. Everybody knows Newton because of the apple story, in which he was sitting under a tree when an apple fell on him. Newton's profound insight continued to shape our understanding of the natural world. One of his well-known discoveries was the 3 laws of motion, also known as Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law, known as the law of inertia, states that objects at rest tend to stay at rest and objects in motion tend to stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. The second law quantifies how forces affect an object's motion, introducing the most famous equation F is equal to ma. The third law, the law of action and reaction, explains that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In mathematics, Newton independently developed a powerful mathematical tool called calculus for analyzing rates of change and solving complex problems. His work laid the groundwork for modern calculus and transformed mathematics, physics, and engineering. After suffering a second nervous breakdown in 1693, Newton retired from research. He decided to leave Cambridge to take up a government position in London, becoming Warden of the Royal Mint in 1696 and Master in 1699. In 1703, he was the elected President of the Royal Society and was re-elected each year until his death. He was knighted in 1705 by Queen Anne, the first scientist to be so honored for his work. Sadly, he died in 1727 in Westminster Abbey. Now, it's quiz time. Today's question is, what is Newton's third law? Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.